So I woke up one morning and I decided I was tired of this blonde hair and I just really wanted to experiment with something else. So I went off to the beauty supply store and there were a lot of options, but I decided I wanted to buy a cream of nature because I read great reviews about the product, and there were a lot of color options to pick from. Honestly, I was really confused. They had honey blonde, bronze, brown, like really nice colors. I finally settled for the honey blonde and the bronze copper. I really like both colors. I really don't know which one I'm gonna use, but I got both of them. So I had to bleach my hair first because I have black undergrowth, as you can see, and I really wanted a uniform color. So I'm just gonna mix the Showtime ultralight blonde powder with the cream peroxide. I have a detailed video on my channel if you want to see the full process. So I'm just gonna apply this mixture all over my hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. So this was 30 minutes later, washed off, and now it's time to finally decide on one of these colors. Is it going to be the honey blonde or the bronze copper? Okay, the bronze copper. So in the kit we have an instruction manual. You also have a cream developer, and you also have the hair color. Also, you have a deep conditioner. You also have argan oil to use after the treatments, which is really nice. So I'm just making sure to go through the manual. It's my first time using Cream of Nature dye box, so I just really want to be very careful and make sure I do everything the right way. It also comes with a glove, so I'm just gonna prepare. I'm using an hot towel in my wardrobe because this procedure can be very messy. So I'm just going to mix the cream developer and the hair color. So you have to put the cream inside the cream developer. And you have to shake really well, like make sure you shake it very well. You want to have a very consistent mixture right there. So before applying the mixture, I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is really dry. So I'm just going to apply the mixture all over my hair. So this is how it looks after applying everything, and I had a lot of mixture left because my hair is really short. Oh my god, it hurts. Then this was after 30 minutes. So I'm gonna wash off the shampoo. So after shampoo, I'm going to use a deep conditioner and put it all over my hair. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes as per instruction. So after washing off the deep conditioner, I'm going to use the argan oil. And honestly, I don't really know if I was feeling the hair at this point. I just feel like it wasn't given enough. So I went to my barber for a trim, just a bit. And just give me that sharp look. Just give me the vibes. And yeah, I think I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying the honey blonde next, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know what other color do you think I should try.